Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Anirban and you are watching pixmentor. So from the last video, I have got a question. How to trace a colorful image into AI? I think this is an important question in Illustrator tutorial. So today I will show you how to trace a colorful image into Adobe Illustrator without losing any details and how to recolor it. So let's get started. Here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I have both files side by side. So when we recolor it, we can see it clearly. What we can get after recoloring. So I can select one picture. You can see there are many colors. We have to vectorize this file. Under the image trace, high fidelity photo. Click on this high fidelity photo option. It depends on the machine configuration. So it will take some time, maybe 1 minute. Okay, so this is a vector image basically. We lose many details. To recover those details, I need to increase the color value. By decreasing the colors value, we can get minimal color. To increasing the color value, we can get maximum color from this photo. Okay, don't increase it high because there are many colors like gradient. You can check on the nose section, there are many gradient to blend it. As per this picture, we can stick on 88 or 90, not 97. Don't go to extreme value. Okay. Now increase the path value. When you increase the path value, the path are going to smooth. Okay. And then corner value increase. It can vary on the different situation. Suppose you have two colors on a picture. So tweaking must be important. Well, we have a picture of this woman, little bit different but almost similar. You can check it. The glossiness is here, the shadows are here with perfect coloring. The blend also is here. You can check the blends. The blend also is there. So there are many cut phases. There are many sharp phases. We can adjust it from Photoshop. So now I can expand it. Now you can check it's in vector. For recolor it, we can go and select this option, the color wheel option. It may take some minute, depend on your machine configuration.
A few moments later.
Here is the recolor artwork window. So now we can active the edit option. You can see the color wheel option. The color wheel option I teach you before, I can attach on the I button. So for now, just click on this link harmony colors. So I can tweak this color for one wheel. Let's make it just tweaking up. You can check the color changing now. Okay. From this point, we can change any color. We can just hold this point, any point we can hold and change the hue or saturation. You can check it. From hue and saturation, we can change this color. After tweaking some color, we can get a different colorful image from one color to another color. We can just tweaking it as per our needs. There are many colors. That's why there are so many points. This is a tough situation when we use many colors. That's why I pick this image. This is very tough situation to manage all the colors. When you work on this color images, you can find maximum 3, 4, 5 colors. The output quality is optimal. So this is the tutorial. I hope it's helped you. If this tutorial will help you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and please make 100 likes on this tutorial. Peace.